So we are busy at the moment taping something called the Summer Body range, and everybody says, oh, body, summer body, and the cellulite is the problem. One of the main ingredients in my cellulite applications is something called cedarwood. Now, I don't really like the smell of cedarwood all that much, but I mix it. So if you smell sandalwood and you smell cedarwood, it's very different. That's the sandalwood. It's almost a
I like
dust.
the cedarwood mill.
Oh no, I don't. It gives me a headache.
You know, my uncle used to run a wood farm, a sawmill.
Look, cedarwood is awesome stuff. Cedarwood, why it works on for women, especially.
That was a cedarwood.
Yes. Why it works for women, especially because it helps balance hormones. It is the one thing that is cleansing. So, what is cellulite?
Give me a bucket of that.
I've got another bottle. You can have this bottle. Okay.
Me that.
We can see Leon has a lot of women in his house. I will be doing a hormone workshop, okay? There's things you can do for testosterone as well. So cedarwood is what you would put in. So this is Virginian cedarwood, and this is what you would put in one of the oils you'll put in your blend against cellulite. So cellulite is, if I have to coin it, a lot of people are going to now cringe when I say it, it's literally dirty fat. So we all have a layer of fat, okay? We all have, and most women have little patches of cellulite. Some women have cellulite all over their legs and other areas, but I won't mention any names. So what cedarwood does, in a blend with something like grapefruit and lavender, and that's a lovely blend, I like it in there, it actually cleanses the area. So what will happen is you'll get very thirsty and you will drink, and the cedarwood brings then the toxins which come from your foods, which come from exercise that hasn't, and then you haven't cleared it or drunk enough water or that. So your lactic acids and your uric acids, when your skin cannot excrete enough, it goes and lies in your fatty deposits. These things go into your fat, and this then has so fat is supposed to be smooth, and then cellulite is a combination between the impurities in the fat, but also the matrix of the skin. So your elastin fibers and your fibrous fibers are not working well. So cellulite oil, cedarwood.